From where did algebra come? Have you ever given thought to it? The word algebra has been derived from the Arabic word al-jabr, which means the union of broken parts or restoration. This term was used by the Persian mathematician Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi in his book Kitab al-Jabr wal Muqabla, written in 9th century. This introduced the methods for solving equations and laid the foundation for modern algebra. This mathematical interpretation, the algebra, was later on translated into many languages, including Latin, and gradually expanded to cover a wider range of mathematics. Algebra is a broad branch of mathematics that uses symbols, letters called variables, and rules to represent numbers and quantities in equations. Algebra is a generalization of arithmetic used to solve unknown values. Main types of algebra are elementary algebra and abstract algebra. Elementary algebra is taught in schools, in which the focus is on solving equations and to understand the basic rules for variables. The example can be x plus 7 is equal to 13. It is determined that x is equal to 6, whereas abstract algebra is more advanced, taught at college level. In this abstract, algebraic structures like groups, rings, and fields is studied rather than the basic numbers and variables. Algebra is not only important in mathematics, but also plays a vital role in subjects like physics and computer science, and in daily logical reasoning. Algebra did not appear overnight. It evolved over thousands of years. In 1900 BC, in Mesopotamia, the Babylonians used clay tablets. In 300 BC in Greece, the mathematicians like Euclid and Diophantus relied heavily on geometry to solve equations. Diophantus later introduced early abbreviations and was one of the first to use symbols to represent unknowns. It is said that for centuries algebraic operations were written entirely in prose. The transition to the familiar x and y equations occurred later. Mathematicians Francois Vitae and René Descartes in 16th century revolutionized mathematics by using letters to represent general variables, transforming equations into logical formulas. In 19th and 20th centuries, algebra expanded from calculating specific numbers to studying abstract structures like groups, rings, and fields. Algebra is a fundamental branch of mathematics that uses symbols to represent unknown numbers in equations and formulas. Algebra helps you to solve unknown quantities, find patterns, and understand relationship between changing numbers in everyday situations. This is Facts About the World. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.